Hi everybody, this is the second video of the Fantasy League. I'm just going to give a quick update before I watch the third period of the Steelers Italia game. What I'm going to do, I'm using this new software and it's going to preview what's going to happen on draft day. So let's go ahead and just put the webcam down here. And as you can see, this is the fantasy web page, and all we're going to do, so when you open the web page, click on rosters page, and then what's going to happen is we're going to be live on YouTube. This is going to be up on YouTube. We'll obviously have a live chat. I'm not really sure how that is going to look and work because I'm pretty new to this kind of system, and obviously kind of new to YouTube as well in regards of creating videos and things like that. So all we're going to do is basically have this open. I'd advise you to have it open as well, and as I'm using Internet Explorer Edge, once a player has been picked, I'm going to use edit mode and just basically, I'll not use this exact one, but basically cross out his name in a little bit better than I have done there, but just wipe out his name, so obviously you know that that player's unavailable and things like that. So this is just a little quick update before I miss any more hockey, and then possibly minimal updates next week. I'll do my best if there's anything that you need to know, but check out our two YouTube video channels, videos that we've got up on this channel. Pretty much I just wanted to show you what's going to happen on draft day. There's not much to it apart from this really. Say I'm first in the draft in my group, I'll pick, well, for example, Clemente, I'll pick him as a goalie. Second will go down to 12, and then it goes 12 back down to 1, and then 1 back down to 12, and so on until we've got his full team. I'll be opening the YouTube live chat earlier before we start at 5:30. I think I put it 5:30, I'm not really sure, but we'll open it early just so we can go through the rules again and make sure everybody's online and ready to watch. And I'm not really sure how it's going to work if nobody's there. Nobody can access the YouTube or anything like that. We have got 3 draft days, so note down that as well. We've got 3 draft days coming up. So obviously this first one, opening one on 23rd of August. I think the second one is the 25th of August, and then I'll have one the week after the Wednesday. I think it'll be the 30th as the last one. Maybe have one before the season. It's only a couple of days later, but it gives you an extra bit of chance to get those last players signing. But most teams have got their players now, and I think it should be okay for next week or next couple of weeks. So yeah, it's just a little heads up, and obviously we might try a little different software once I get used to it. I'll try and get some memorabilia, but all I've got really is some Steelers really, so apologies to that, especially Nottingham fans, sorry. So yeah, really, that's all it's going to be about this video. Just give a quick idea of what's going to go off. So as you can see, just cross that out, and then we'll move on. Third place, please say Lewis for example, cross him out, and so on, and we'll go through the teams. That's all it's going to be, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you've learned something from this and you understand a bit more about draft day. Hope you've enjoyed some hockey if you've managed to watch some. I'm sure it won't be long until your team's playing if you haven't got a game tonight. But enjoy the rest of your weekend, and hockey's finally back.